Well, the vaccine rollout is going really well here in Guelph. Hundreds of people 80 years and older have already gotten their first dose, way ahead of the province's target date for that age group. This region is also among the first to start booking appointments. Many other public health units are also following suit as the province is still weeks away from launching its online registration system.
How old are you?
90.
90. I never would have guessed that.
It's a big sigh of relief for this 90-year-old great-grandmother. The prick of the needle brings comfort to her and her family that she will easily outlive this pandemic.
It's good. Like, I live in a boarding building, see, so.
So yeah, no, we feel better, much safer, and it'll be nice when it's done. And then we can hopefully we can get spending some more time with her.
Guelph is leading the way in the vaccine rollout.
You're not pregnant or breastfeeding?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
It's a smaller region than Toronto and Peel, but is the first to move on to the next priority group, and its planning and execution will likely save lives.
Yeah, it's been really part of the plan has been to be as ready as possible as soon as supply gets here in the region, and we know it's coming. So the plan all along has really been to be as ready as possible to scale up as soon as supply starts to flow. So you're seeing that now. You're seeing that 80-plus group start to get vaccinated.
This week, the province announced that the 80-plus age group can start registering for the vaccine starting March 15th as it prepares to launch the Ontario-wide booking site. CityNews got an exclusive peek at what it will look like. For now, though, this page is under construction.
The people most closely to their communities, the public health units, are making the decisions on what is the fastest and easiest and most equitable way to ensure that people get the vaccines they need.
There is a growing list of health units that are not waiting around. Simcoe, Muskoka, which has about 25,000 residents over 80 years old, has started pre-registration along with Waterloo. York Region will start booking appointments starting Monday, while Ottawa, which has about 37,000 residents in the 80-plus age group, is ready to start vaccinating next week.
I think it just shows with, proper planning and aggressive action, we can roll things out like vaccines faster. That's why it's just so disappointing that at the provincial level, we haven't seen the Premier deliver the same kind of leadership when it's come to vaccine planning.
The mayor of Guelph says his region's public health officer has been ahead of the curve from day one. This was the first health unit to make masks mandatory, and now this.
She found out that there could be sort of delays in this registration portal from the province. She immediately just said, well, we're just going to make our own then. If we had the supply, we'd actually be able to vaccinate 10,000 people a day.
Now, at this location alone, 200 to 300 vaccines went into arms just today. This region is doing pre-registration for all the priority groups so that when supply arrives, they are ready to go. Now, at last check, Toronto and Peel are not yet booking appointments, but are preparing their mass vaccination sites.